Wunnumin Lake First Nation is surrounded by the vast and beautiful territory in the far north of Ontario. This territory has always been carefully utilized and preserved since its establishment in 1964. As a permanent community located on the western part of Wunnumin Lake, the community prides themselves on its relationship to the land through fishing, hunting, gathering, trapping, language, and culture. The community has made great advances in their housing department with the building of a new duplex and the complete renovation of 10 homes in the community. The people of Wunnumin Lake First Nation completed these successful projects themselves with only the help of a construction supervisor. The duplex and the renovations of the homes was done by the community for the community. The building of the duplex and the renovations were completed with the support of funding from the Department of Indigenous Services Canada Budget 2016. The renovations on the 10 homes in the community was focused on replacing everything in the home. The insides of the home were gutted and installation of all new materials was put into motion. This included the replacement of insulation, drywall, flooring, windows, doors, and trim. The outsides of the homes had the siding and roofs replaced. These existing homes received a complete and comprehensive overhaul to improve living conditions in the community. The duplex was built from the foundation up with all new materials.
We worked on the outside first, did sidings and soffits and flashings, and after we were done all of that, we moved it inside and ripped up everything, the walls, ceiling, floor. After that, we made like floor plans, blueprints, where the room's gonna be, washroom, and all that. We started putting it together like puzzles.
It was the goal of the Community Project Supervisors and Managers to make the housing projects a community experience, thereby developing capacity within Wunnumin. Members from the First Nation received training and hands-on learning from experienced construction workers while the home renovations and the building of the duplex took place.
We had local labor do all the work. I think they really enjoyed the work they did. They gained a lot of work experience.
With the mistakes I'd done, and I kept learning and learning from every mistake I did, then I got better and better.
As a result, the training included learning how to use tools such as circular saw, carpenter's square, and power nailers. Other carpentry skills incorporated in the training were measuring techniques and general safety guidelines for construction sites.
Some tools they didn't know how to use, measuring tapes, squares, so it was kind of helpful to teach them.
The housing projects not only served as a way to help build the community's capacity, but also helped community members in their personal lives.
Keeping me busy, because my little brother passed away last year, October. Kept me off drinking, sober for like 6 months now. My parents are proud of me.
Community members who received the renovated homes were proud of the work that was done by the community laborers, but were also very appreciative of the renovations to their homes.
They were so excited and they were so happy, like, wow! The old house had lots of draft, wind coming in just every window, and I had cracks on the windows. There was a door there and I was like 40 years old.
I think a lot of people want their homes renovated when they see these new homes renovated. Like, not new homes, but they look new.
The community construction workers who were involved with the renovations were also proud of the work they completed.
Feels pretty good in rebuilding their houses. Feels pretty good. The old houses, they were old and had mold in them. I like to keep the families not getting sick from all that mold, so they can have a decent living home.
Wunnumin Lake First Nation worked together to accomplish 10 home renovations and building a new duplex in only 1 year. As a community, they hope to accomplish more with home renovations, new builds, and larger projects like community centers for continued growth of the community.
Activity areas for the kids, probably a new school.
Hopefully they build more duplexes and more renovations done. Some of these homes, they are like 80s, 90s, 70s. Back then it was different, like standards. So we need to fix these homes.
Congratulations to Wunnumin Lake First Nation.